Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this tutorial we're going to look at this indefinite integral. So let's start off by calling this integral I. So I is going to be the integral. I can rewrite the numerator as 48x to the 4th plus 8x to the 3rd plus 60x squared plus 5x, and I'll write this 30 as 27 plus 3 divided by 16x to the 4th power plus 20x squared plus 9 dx. So I can split this, the integral of 48x to the 4th power plus 8x to the 3rd plus not 8x to the 3rd plus 60x squared plus 27, and then plus 8x to the 3rd plus 5x plus 3, all divided by the denominator 16x to the 4th plus 20x squared plus 9 dx. So I is equals to the integral. I'm going to split this into three different integrals. So 48x to the 4th plus 60x squared plus 27 divided by 16x to the 4th plus 20x squared plus 9 dx. The second integral is the integral of 8x to the 3rd plus 5x divided by 16x to the 4th plus 20x squared plus 9 dx. And the last integral is the integral of 3 divided by 16x to the 4th plus 20x squared plus 9 dx. So let's call this one integral 1, integral 2, and integral 3. So we can tackle them one after the other. So let's start with integral 1. Integral 1, I am going to factorize 3 out of the numerator. That is going to be left with 16x to the 4th plus 20x squared plus 9 divided by 16x to the 4th plus 20x squared plus 9 dx. So the first integral is really trivial. That is just the integral of 3 dx, because these guys here will cancel out nicely. And integrating 3 in the x world is 3x. So the first one is I1 is 3x, like that. All right, cool. Let's tackle the I2. I2 is the integral of 8x to the 3rd power plus 5x divided by 16x to the 4th power plus 20x squared plus 9 dx. That is the second integral here. With this one, what I'm going to do is to multiply the numerator and divide the integral by 8. I'm going to multiply the numerator by 8, which is 8 times 8x to the 3rd power plus 5x divided by 16x to the 4th power plus 20x squared plus 9 dx. Right? So I2 is going to be 1/8 the integral of 8 multiplied by 8. That would be 64x to the 3rd plus 40x divided by 16x to the 4th power plus 20x squared plus 9 dx. And we can see that the differential of this, the denominator is exactly the numerator. So that is just equal to the natural logarithm of the denominator, which is 16x to the 4th plus 20x squared plus 9. This one is a positive number, so you don't need to put it in absolute value terms. Yeah, another one. That's cool. So I2 is going to be 1/8 the natural logarithm of 16x to the 4th plus 20x squared plus 9. So this is the value of the second integral. Now let's tackle the third integral. The third integral, I3, that is equal to the integral of 3 all over 16x to the 4th power plus 20x squared plus 9 dx. So I3 is going to be, I am going to divide the numerator by x squared and divide the denominator by x squared dx. So this is equal to the integral of 3 over x squared divided by, this is left with 16x squared plus 20 plus 9 over x squared dx. Right. So I3 is going to be the integral. I'm going to multiply the numerator by 2 and divide by 2. So that'll be 16x squared plus 20 plus 9 over x squared dx. And this one can be rewritten as 3 over x squared plus 3 over x squared, like this, divided by 16x to the 4th plus 20 plus 9 over x squared dx. So I3 is going to be 1/2. I am going to add 4 and subtract 4 to the numerator. Now it's going to be 3 over x squared plus 3 over x squared plus 4 minus 4 divided by 16x to the 4th power plus 20 plus 9 over x squared dx. So rearranging the numerator, you are going to have 1/2 the integral. This is going to be 4 plus 3 over x squared, and that is 4 here plus 1 of this. And this can also be written as minus into bracket 4 minus 3x 3 over x squared divided by 16x to the 4th power plus 20 plus 9 over x squared dx. This numerator is the same as the numerator above. Now we can split this integral into two different integrals. So 4 plus 3 over x squared divided by 16x all along. This is x squared. I'm sorry about that. This is x squared. This is x squared. I'm so sorry about that. So this is 16x squared plus 20 plus 9 over x squared dx minus 4 minus 3 over x squared divided by 16x squared plus 20 plus 9 over x squared dx. So I3 is going to be 1/2. There is 1/2 here in the integral. So this is going to be 1/2 the integral of 4 plus 3 over x squared all over. This can also be factored. The denominator here can also be factored as 4x minus 3 over x all squared. When we square this, when we square 4x minus 3 over x, this is going to give us 16x squared minus, okay, I can do plus 9 over x squared minus 4x times 3 over x is 12 times 2, that's 24. So we have this one minus 24, but we have plus 20. In order to have plus 20, we have to add 44 to this. So this one we can add 44. Adding 44 will neutralize the negative 24 and add 20 to our denominator. So this is how this denominator can be factored. And now the second denominator can also be factored like this. So this is dx minus 1/2 the integral of 4 minus 3 over x squared divided by, this denominator can be factored as 4x plus 3 over x all squared. Squaring this one is 16x squared plus 9 over x squared plus 24. It's plus 24, but we have plus 20, so it means we have exceeded by 4. We have to subtract 4. And that's how we can factor the second denominator of the integral I3. So I can clean this up. Okay, cool. Now we can recognize that the differential of this one, which is 4x minus 3 over x squared, will give you exactly the denominator here. So this one is just like the arctan integral, and the differential of 4x plus 3 over x squared will give you 4 minus 3 over x squared, and this one is the tan hyperbolic inverse integral. So this one, the integral I3, is really equal to 1/2 the integral of this is 4 plus 3 over x squared divided by 4x minus 3 over x whole squared, plus this one can also be written as the square root of 44 squared. 44 in the square root is 4 times 11, which is 2 square root of 11 squared dx minus 1/2 the integral I can factorize negative out of this one. That will be plus here. And we have 4 minus 3 over x squared divided by 4. And 4 can be written as 2 squared minus 4x plus 3 over x all squared dx. So the integral of this one is the numerator. The differential of this is the numerator. The differential of this is the numerator. So in that case, we can actually find I3 from here. So this one is the tan inverse of, so it is 1 all over a, and our a here is the square root of 44, and tan inverse of x, our x here is 4x minus 3 over x divided by a. A is the square root of 44, or 2 square root of 11, like this, plus 1/2. This is the tan hyperbolic inverse. So this is the tan hyperbolic inverse function of x over a. So x is like 4x plus 3 over x here over a. A here is 2, which is this one, but we have to divide by a. So we are done with the I3. You can clean things up. So this is going to be 1 all over square root of 44 is 2 square root of 11. That is 4 square root of 11. Tan inverse of this can also be written as 1 all over the square root of 11 into 4x minus 3 over x divided by 2. That's 2x minus 3 over 2x, like this, plus 1 over 4 tan hyperbolic inverse of this one dividing 4x plus 3 over x divided by 2. That's going to be 2x plus 3 over 2x. So this is the value of the third integral. So we can now wrap things up. So I was equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3. So in that case, we have our I, the integral. The first one was equal to 3x. That was done in white. So our first integral was 3x. Our second integral is 1 over 8 times the natural logarithm of the denominator plus I2, which is 1/8 natural logarithm of 16x to the 4th power plus 20x squared plus 9 plus I3. I3 is this. That is 1 over 4 square root of 11 tan inverse of 1 all over the square root of 11 of 2x minus 3 over 2x plus, I'm sorry about that, plus 1 over 4 tan hyperbolic inverse of 2x plus 3 over 2x plus a constant of integration. So this one is the value of our integral. Yeah, so that's it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more engaging tutorials on integrals. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.